When I was up at People's Resort the other day, there was this laser shooting going on, and it's quite harmless. It's the shotguns are uh, normal weighted shotguns. The only thing is that they haven't got live shot. You don't have to have a firearm license or anything like that or anything untoward. Nobody gets hurt, except if you drop the shotgun on the end of your toe or something like that, you might get hurt. But otherwise, it's all fun. As you can see, that young ladies and here, young blokes, all think they're all wild herps or Annie Oakley. But there's the way they're standing and holding the shotguns. It's not the way I learned to hold a shotgun and shoot. They're actually pretty heavy. I prefer to do what I've done a good number of years ago when I used to use a shotgun, and that was one, and they have it pointing to the ground as you normally do when it's a live firearm. And when you go to shoot, you bring it up to your shoulder in all one fluid movement, side along, especially a shotgun, side along the barrel, get your target, and just pull the trigger. You don't sight it like a normal rifle. You have both eyes open and just point the barrel of the rifle to which you're going to shoot, and you pull the trigger.
Ladies and gentlemen, until your next rotation.
I don't know whether there's any age restrictions on these laser shooting shotguns. I didn't ask, but if you look up the gentleman's website for one word, laser shooting North Coast, and it's an Australian thing. This gentleman is actually in southeast Queensland, so if you look up that website, laser shooting North Coast .com.au, you can get the information off the website and go from there. And as I say, it's very safe, very easy to do. There's no back pressure because there's no combustion going on, so you're not going to get blown over onto your backside if you're not holding the rifle right. There's 99.9% of these people are not holding correctly. If it's a live firearm, they'd be all sitting on their posteriors very quickly. I don't know whether you noticed, but there's a young lady in the centre there. She's got her arm, left arm out, full extended, and it's not bent, and she's having a hell of a job holding the rope, sucking up and dropping down every time. And that's what I mean. You've got to have the bent arm, and you're all good.